Hello guys, you are welcome to ATM Luxury Property YouTube channels where we enlighten and educate people on how to secure genuine real estate investments. Yes, we also help people to invest wisely and smartly in real estate investment that gives them high return on investments here in Nigeria. So today we want to speak on what real estate is and types of real estate. What real estate is and types of real estate. So if you are joining me for the very first time, please subscribe to my YouTube channels and turn on your notification button. I will be right back. Thank you. Thank you. Yes. So we're back. So several times I've engaged people on real estate. Then I realized that a lot of people don't know what real estate is. If you don't know what real estate is, how do you want to invest in real estate? They know what land is, they know what houses are, but they don't know what real estate is. I think it's because they don't understand that lands and houses, which are called property, are also known as real estate. So before we dwell in, my name is Matthew Adigbeson. I'm the lead consultant of ATM Luxury Property. So now, what is real estate? Real estate is the real asset, is the real property that consists of land and its improvements. I mean land that you see and its improvements. Its improvement means what is on the land, what you do on the land that you acquire. That is improvement. Like buildings, houses that you live in, hotels for commercials, factories. Those are part of improvements. We have good road network. We have utility system like electricity, good water. Those are part of its improvement. So real estate is land and its improvement. And another thing that I will make it clear is that when you buy real estate, you are not just buying land alone. You purchase everything beneath the land, which are minerals, whatever beneath the land. Beneath the land itself, and on the land. There are some land that you purchase that later on you'll find out there is mineral resources on that land. There are some land that you purchase that you find out there is economy trees, economy benefits on that land. There are some land that you purchase that you find out that the land is fertile. You can use for farming. When you invest in real estate or when you buy real estate, you are not just buying land alone. You buy everything beneath the land, on the land, and above the land. That is real estate. Real estate is land, building, and everything beneath the land, on the land, and above the land. So this is why it is important you invest in real estate. And without you knowing the basics, the fundamental knowledge of what real estate is, real estate might not be profitable to you, despite the fact that real estate has made a lot of people millionaires. Types of real estates. Basically, we have three types of real estates. Yes, we have three types of real estate, but I added one to it. The first one we have, which is number one type of real estate we have, is residential real estate. Residential real estate is the most common type of real estate. It's the most common because we as human beings, we need somewhere to shelter. We need shelter. We need somewhere to habitate. We need somewhere to live. So residential real estate is a very common real estate. Is a type of real estate that houses a group of people or individual people. It's a type of real estate where people live in. So that is residential real estate. Categories of residential real estates are bungalows, duplexes, terraces, mansions, shortlets. Those are types of residential real estate categories or example, whatever you can call it, of residential real estate. The houses you live in, it could be bungalow, it could be self-contained, it could be duplexes, terraces, fully detached, semi-detached, mansions. So those are residential real estate. The second one is the commercial real estate. Commercial real estate is the type of real estate that is being used by business owners to carry out their business operations. Business owners to carry out their business operation, business activities. This is another most common one that you can see around you. The most common, the second most common types of real estate. The most common one is the residential real estate. The second one is the commercial real estate. Commercial real estate is the type of real estate used by business owners to carry out their business operations. Example of this commercial real estate, we have plazas. You go around, you see plazas. What are they doing in plazas? They are not living there. That is why it is not residential. They sell things there. That is why it is commercial. They carry out their commercial activities. Medical centers, hospitals, hotels, those are commercial real estates. Commercial real estate. We have several of them. We have a lot of them. Filling stations, gas stations, those are commercial real estates. Shop complexes, those are commercial real estates. Remember, they are used to carry out business activities and business operations. So the third one is industrial real estate. Industrial real estate is a type of real estate used by industries owners. Industries owners, people that own industries, big companies that own industries. So the type of real estate they use is industrial real estate. They have nothing to do with commercial real estate, residential real estate, even though they still have some part of their investment in those categories. But what they use is industrial real estate. The difference between the industrial real estate and commercial real estate is that industrial real estate occupy larger space than commercial real estate. Example of this industrial real estate is constructions companies that they can own acres of land space to carry out their operations. Factories, looking at Dangote refinery. Dangote refinery is a factories that occupy very large space of land. Dangote cement, go to his factory, you will see the largest space they occupy. Meanwhile, commercial real estate can just occupy 2, 3, 4 plots of land, less than even 1 acre. 1 acre is 6 plots. So commercial real estate use less than less than acres. They can use one plot to carry out their business operations. But industrial real estate use acres, acres, 4 acres, 10 acres, hectares, hectares of land to carry out their own operations. You know, factories, constructions, research and development. Those are industrial real estate. So it is owned and used by industry owners. It can be government officials, it could be ministries, it could be private individuals. You know. Then the last one that I personally added is investment real estate. Investment real estate is it's more like a short-term investment in real estate, whereby you just fix your money with a reputable and genuine real estate company, and you sign up a duration with them. You start earning returns, cash flow. It could be monthly, quarterly, yearly, but mostly they do half a year, which is 6 months. They do 6 months, yearly, 9 months, 12 months, 24 months, 18 months. They don't do monthly. So that is investment real estate. Example of this investment real estate, for example, in our own company, we have several packages for investment real estate. We have land banking investment projects where you invest minimum of 100,000 naira with a company. There's no maximum amount with a company, and you earn 32% returns in 12 months. And upon your investment with us, you collect deed of assignments, you collect insurance certificates, you collect investment certificates, and we issue out post-dated check. Several investors have benefited from it. And another package under investment real estate that we offer in our own company is Fundit. Fundit allows you to finance housing projects in our company, where you have minimum of 20% return on your investment in 12 months. The minimum capital for this is 1 million naira. So it's a means of you collecting rent, even though you don't have physical assets or real assets, but you still want share of the pie in real estate market. Real estate market offer big returns, bulky returns. So another one is rentals. You can decide to invest in rentals. Rentals offers 1 million, 40% rather, 40% ROI in 14 months. The minimum capital for this is 1 million naira. 1 million naira. So with 1 million naira, you can invest in rentals and start earning 40% return on your investment for a period of 14 months. It all depends on your duration, but the minimum is 14 months. Okay, so we have several packages for you. We have Landvest too, So these are types of real estate. These are types of real estate. So if you are investing in real estate, you must know that, okay, real estate is the real asset, the real property that consists of land and its improvement. So if you are not investing in land, you are investing in buildings. If you are not investing in buildings, you are fixing your money in real estate. And you must also understand types of real estates that we have. We have residential, yes. We have commercial, we have industrial real estate, and the last one I added, we have investment real estate. Don't forget residential real estate, commercial real estate, industrial real estate, and investment real estate. These are more like a purpose. So if you are investing, you must know why and where you want to invest your money in real estate. For example, now, if you want short-term returns, you don't just invest in commercial. You can just fix your money and get back your money, your capital, with your returns. But if you're looking at buying and building to live or to rent out for people to live in, to accommodate people, then you can invest in residential real estate. At the same time, if you are looking at investing in commercial properties where you give to business owners to carry out their business operations, you can look at commercial real estate where you build plazas, filling stations, hotel, gas station, cinema, you know, etc. The industry too, you know what it is? Industrial real estate, to carry out factories, to build factories and lease it out. You know, so that is it. So if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to YouTube channel and kindly turn on your notification button. Thank you for listening. Thank you for seeing this video to the end. Thank you for watching. My name is Matthew Adebeson. I'm the lead consultant of ATM Luxury Properties. We help smart and wise investors to make genuine real estate investments here in Nigeria. Remember to subscribe. Remember to turn on your notification buttons. If there's any questions, additions, if there's any inquiry, please put it in the comments box. We will attend to it as fast as we can. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. See you next time. Bye.